too much of my life always chasing after the next thing. Maybe this winter I'll take it easy. Maybe I'll breathe instead of always rushing to get somewhere. The wind is sharper now and the air feels painful on my face, but there's still something oddly freeing about it. When the cold touches your skin, it forces you to notice every little sensation. It's like a reminder that you're here, fully in this moment, and that you're still alive. The cold doesn't just make you uncomfortable, it makes you present. I used to think that winter was the worst season, the one that took everything away. But maybe, just maybe, it's a season that gives us something we never expect. A chance to be still, a chance to be patient,